I am an owner of a hair salon business and I receive the appointment booking messages on WhatsApp from my customers on daily basis. Now managing the WhatsApp conversation manually is a very time consuming and a hectic process. So to solve the problem, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot, that too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chat Flow. Now as I've created this bot, whenever I receive any of the messages from the customers for the appointment on WhatsApp, automatically this bot is going to send a reply to them. So if you also want to learn how you can automate your hair salon appointment bookings on WhatsApp, I'm going to take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So now first of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing chatbot works in real time. Okay, so this is the bot that I've created, and towards this bot, let's suppose I'm going to write over here, hello, I want to book an appointment. I'm going to send this message right over here towards this bot. Okay, and you can see right over here I have received this message, welcome to studio, ready to get your hair the pampering it deserves. This is the message. If I'm going to click on the open list, these are the facilities right here. I want to go for hairstyling, so I'm going to select this option. As soon as I'm going to do that, it says great choice. When would you like to schedule your appointment? Let's suppose I want the appointment on 15th of September 2025. Okay, and for the time I will write over here as 12 p.m. I'm going to send this date and time right over here. It says, lovely, may I know your full name? So for the full name over here, I'm going to write it as test user. Next over here, you can see it says, got it, test user. Could you please share your contact number? For the contact number, I'm going to send my WhatsApp number right here. And as soon as I will do that right here, you can see I have received this message, that is, your appointment is confirmed. Name, test user, hairstyling. Date, you can see right over here with the time and the contact number. Location is given. The query, I have received this phone number, this message, and the image of my salon as well. Okay, so this is how this amazing bot will work for the booking of the hair salon appointments. And now we're going to create this amazing bot using Pabbly Chat Flow without need of any coding and programming skills. For that, simply what you need to do is, on a new tab, you have to browse the website of Pabbly Chat Flow, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And as you're going to do that, Pabbly Chat Flow's landing page is going to appear. Before we create this amazing bot, I want to let you know about Pabbly Community. Now, what is this Pabbly Community? Pabbly Community is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. Over here in this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. In this space, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business as well. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. I am going to create this amazing automation. Again, on the landing page, you will find two options in front of you, that is sign in or sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you have a valid Pabbly account, you can directly sign in from here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free credit points every month to explore the features of Pabbly Chat Flow. I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign in. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Chat Flow, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right here. Then Pabbly Chat Flow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Using Pabbly Chat Flow, you can manage and send WhatsApp messages super easily. In Pabbly Chat Flow, you can add multiple WhatsApp numbers. For that, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number button, where you will find two options to add your number. The one is WhatsApp Connect method, other one is Manual Token Connect. If you want to learn the tutorials of how you can add your WhatsApp number by any of the methods, you will find the link of the tutorials in the description section below. Pabbly Chat Flow also provides multiple features, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings, under which you will find multiple options. If you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chat Flow in brief, you can check out all the video links added in the description box below. Okay, now to create a new chatbot, simply from the left side of the panel, go towards the flows section right over here. And now to create a new flow, click on this Add Flow button on the top right corner, and a flow is going to be created. And firstly, we are renaming the flow. So for the name of my flow over here, I'm going to to write it as automate hair salon appointment bookings via WhatsApp. Okay, so this is the name of my flow right over here. Now it is asking for us to set up a trigger. Trigger is a step using which this flow is going to be triggered or initiated. Okay, there are multiple events under trigger. One is keywords regex match, other is user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, tag assigned. Okay, so these are the trigger events using which this flow is going to start, and I will be using the trigger keyword and regex right over here. What is the keyword? Keyword using which, let's suppose any customer sends us a message. Now if we have added that word over here in the keywords field, this flow is going to be triggered from here. Okay, so you can enter your keyword. Let's suppose I will enter as hello, enter it and press the enter key to save the keyword. In the similar manner right over here, you can enter keywords according to your requirements right here. Okay, so these are the keywords that I've entered. You can enter as many keywords as you want right here. Next over here is regex. Regex is a short for regular expression. It is a pattern or sequence of characters using which you can identify different words. Okay, for the regex, I have a special character using which this flow can be triggered by any of the messages that we receive from our customers on our WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is, for the regex, I'm going to enter that character right over here. So you can see right over here, this is the character. Okay, that is going to trigger this bot by any of the messages. Okay, if you want to use this character as well, you will find the link of this flow in the description section below, and you can copy this character from the flow itself. Okay, now next, after setting up our trigger, my first message should be what? I want to send this message with a list. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add a list after this trigger. From the messages panel, you will find the option list right over here. Drag it and drop it, and over here firstly I'm going to enter the header of this list. So for the header over here, what I want the header, my name of the salon, so that is Lux Salon. So I'm going to enter that header. Now for the body over here, this is the body that I want over here for this list. So I'm going to copy the details from here and paste it right over here. Okay, so you can see this is going to be the body. Now in this body, I want few fields over here like this to be highlighted as bold. For that, simply in front of the sentence and in the end of the sentence, I will add 2 stars right over here to make this text as bold. Okay, now after that over here, I want to add the section over here in this list. Okay, for that, simply I'm going to click on this add section button. Now firstly, we have to name this section. So for the name of the section over here, I'm going to give it as select service. Okay, so this is the name of my section, and now I will add items under this section, and these items are going to be the items that I've added in this list, like haircut, hair color and hair styling. So I'm going to add in all the items with their description right over here. You can see I've added 3 of the items: haircut with their description, title is hair color with the description, you can see under the title that is hairstyling with the description. So now as I've created this list right over here, now any of the service is selected by this customer who is sending a booking message right over here. What I want is, I want to save the data of that answer over here in my Pabbly Chartflow account. For that, we have this amazing feature by Pabbly Chartflow, that is contact custom field, in which we can add the custom data of our contacts, our customers. Okay, so now to add the data of the answer, simply go to action and over here click on this set custom field, drag it and drop it. Simply connect this first option to this option right over here. I have created a contact custom field over here in the name of what? Selected service. Okay, I will keep the record of this answer right over here in this field. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to simply copy the value and enter it. Okay, so if the customer selects the option that is haircut, automatically in the contact custom field selected service, the value haircut is going to be saved. In the similar manner, I'm going to enter the data for both of the other options right over here as well. So you can see right over here, I've added the contact custom fields data. Okay, so if any of the options is selected by any of the customers, automatically the given value in below over here is going to be saved. Okay, after saving the answer, next what I want is, let's suppose any of the option is selected, I want to first collect the data of when they want the date of the appointment booking. Okay, for that we have to ask a question. Over here under actions, you will find the option ask question, drag it and drop it. Okay, I'm going to connect this question field towards with all these custom fields right over here. Okay, now my first question over here is related to the timing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy this question and paste it right over here. That is collecting the data of the schedule appointment timing. Okay, I have created a contact custom field in the name of appointment date and type. The answer of this question is going to be added in this contact custom field. The format over here is going to be what? Any. Okay. After adding this first question, my next question over here is going to be, lovely, may I know your full name? So I'm going to add another ask question field right over here in this flow, and simply I will collect the data of the name next by my customer right here. So I'm going to copy this question from here and paste it right here. Okay. Contact custom field is the name of full name. So I'm going to select it right over here. Format is going to be text. Number of attempts is 1 and validation message over here as error. What is the validation message? Let's suppose towards the answer of this question, the answer is not according to the selected format, the customer will receive a validation message of error. Okay. Now in the similar manner, I have few other questions right over here. So I'm going to add my next question as well. You can see right over here, my next question is got a dollar full name. What is this dollar full name? If you want to add the data from your contact custom field in any of the messages, simply what you need to do is you have to add the name of your contact custom field exactly, and in front of it simply add a dollar sign. The data will be extracted from the field and added into the message. Okay. Could you please share your contact number? Contact custom field is going to be phone number and the format is going to be any. Okay. Now after adding all the questions, I want to send a confirmation message with the image. Okay. For that, simply I'm going to drag the point of this question, drop it in this field. Content type is going to be media first. I will add the salon image first. Media type is going to be image. Over here for the URL, instead of that I'm going to upload the URL directly from here. So over here I'm going to upload this salon image directly. Okay. And the image is going to be updated. Now with this image I want to send a message. So I'm going to click on this add content button and select the content type as text plus button. And for the message over here I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I have written. Your appointment is confirmed. Over here name, service, date, appointment, phone number, everything is added with the contact custom field and dollar sign. Okay. Location, this is the location of my studio. You can see right over here, and my phone number for any of the queries. We can't wait to see you and give you a hair day you will never forget. Okay. So this is the another message. Okay. So as now I have added in all the details that I wanted. Now what I'm going to do is to save this flow, click on the save button on the top right corner and the flow is successfully created. Now let us test this flow that we have created right over here. For that, simply I'm going to send another message right over here. I'm going to delete all the messages. For that, simply what I'm going to do is towards this bot I'm going to send a new message. Let's suppose for the message over here I'm going to write it as, hey, I want to book a haircut appointment. I'm going to send this message towards this bot, and as soon as I've done that, you can see right over here I've received this message. This is the welcome message. If I'm going to open the list, these were the options. Let's suppose I'm going to select the option as haircut. As I forwarded this message, you can see it is asking for the date. Let's suppose for the date over here I'm going to write it as 10th of September 2025, and for the timing over here I'm going to write it as 10:30 a.m. Okay, I'm going to send this message. As I forwarded the message, it is asking for my name. For the name over here, let's suppose I'm going to write it as new account. Okay, and after the name over here, it is going to ask me for my phone number. So for the phone number, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number right here and click on this send button. As now I forwarded this phone number as well, I have received the salon image. You can see right over here, this is the same image that we have added with the details. Your appointment is confirmed, name was new account, the service is haircut, this is the date and time, this is the phone number and all the other details. Okay, as now I'm receiving the messages, this means this bot has now been successfully created. If I'm going to open my Pabbly Chartflow account and open my inbox section over here on a new tab, in this inbox section, as a business owner, you can see all the conversations between your bot and your customer as well. You can see this was the same conversation right here. Now, as we have added the data of our customer in contact custom fields, simply under contact custom fields, you will find all the details. This was the same phone number. You can see right over here. Selected services, what? Haircut. The appointment date and time is given right over here with all the other details. Okay. As now we have collected the data and added in our contact custom field as well, and as this bot is auto replying towards my customer, this means the bot has now been successfully created. Okay, so this is how you create amazing WhatsApp chatbot without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chartflow. Go ahead and explore the features of Pabbly Chartflow from today itself, as we provide you free credit points to do that right now. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other chatbots according to your need with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any question, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can ask us query on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you want to try to create this bot for yourself, for your business, you can do it absolutely for free with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.